I begin, I'd like to address a very important thing. Yesterday, a session was purportedly held by 12 senators, 12 po, in which committee assignments were declared vacant and chairmanship of this very committee, this committee on the Blue Ribbon, was allegedly replaced. I stand before you today to state clearly and unequivocally that session was invalid. Wala po silang 13. Kahit grade 1, marunong magbilang. Kailangan ng 13. So wala ho silang authority gawin yung mga ginawa nila. The 1987 Philippine Constitution states, Article 6, Section 2, the Senate shall be composed of 24 senators. May narinig ho kayo 22? Wala, 24. Article 6, Section 16.2, a majority of each house shall constitute a quorum to do business. Rule 2, Section 2 of the Senate rule states, the officers of the Senate shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Majority vote is 13. When 12 senators convene and purportedly held session, how can that be valid? Nung tumayo po si Senator Gatchalian at sinabi niyang, ang dami hong posisyon, di ko na humaalala lahat. Acting, presiding officer, Senate President Pro Temp, Acting Senate President. Paano nangyari yon? Buhay pa po si Senator Legarda. Kailangan po 13. Sabi nga the officers of the Senate shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Buhay pa po si Senator Legarda, hindi pa po siya pinapalitan. Kaya hindi po pwedeng magkaroon ng another Senate President Pro Temp.